Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about MCQs on significant digits. The digits which are used to represent a number are called significant digits. 1 to 9, all are significant digits. 0 is significant digit if it is in between two non-zero digits. 0 is not a significant digit if it is used to fix the decimal places or to discard digits or to fill the unknown places. Rules for counting significant digits. Rule number 1. Count 1 to 9 as significant digits. Rule number 2. Count 0 as significant digit if it is in between two non-zero digits. Rule number 3. Don't count leading zeros. Rule number 4. Count trailing zeros if there is decimal point. Here I am starting from question number 16 because 15 questions are discussed in the previous video lectures. You may watch those. Those MCQs are on different topics of numerical methods. Question number 16. Which are the following digits are not significant of the number 0.042? We see here there are two significant digits 4 and 2. These leading zeros, the 0 before decimal point and the 0 after decimal point will not be considered as significant digits. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which are the following digits are not significant of the number 1.402? In this number, this 0 is in between two non-zero digits. So this 0 will be considered as the significant digit. Therefore, there are 4 significant digits in this number. So there is no digit which is not significant. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Next, the total number of significant digits in 500000. According to K. Dash textbook, Numerical Methods, Theoretical and Practical, by his convention, option B is the correct answer because only significant digit in this number is 5. Next question, the number of significant figures in 600000. Similar question, you solve yourself. Next question, the total number of significant digits in 1.00234. These two zeros after decimal point will be considered as significant digits because they are in between two non-zero digits. Therefore, there are 6 significant digits. So, option B is the correct answer. Next question, the total number of significant digits in 0.00012334. These zeros will not be considered as significant digits. So there are only 4 significant digits in this number. Option B is the correct answer. Next question, the total number of significant digits in 0.03409. These two leading zeros will not be considered as significant digits, but this 0 will be considered as significant digit because it is in between two non-zero digits. Therefore, there are 4 significant digits in this number. Option D is the correct answer. Next question, the total number of significant digits in 1.00340. These two zeros after decimal point will be considered as significant digits because they are in between two non-zero digits, and the last zero will be considered also as significant digit. The trailing zero in the decimal number considered as significant digits. Therefore, there are 6 significant digits in this number. Option D is the correct answer. The next video lecture will be on rounding off a number.